The Cessna 310R is a true gem in the skies. It boasts a top speed of 207 knots and a range of 725 nautical miles. This aircraft reaches a maximum cruising altitude of 20,000 feet, providing a smooth and comfortable ride for both pilots and passengers. The aircraft is equipped with twin engines, and its cost to own can vary depending on factors like maintenance and upgrades. However, it is well known for its cost-effectiveness in the light twin category. When it comes to fuel consumption, it is quite efficient, typically burning around 25 to 30 gallons of fuel per hour, making it an economical choice for pilots. Stepping inside, you'll find a comfortable cabin with seating for up to 5 passengers. The interior is designed for both comfort and functionality, making those long flights enjoyable for everyone on board. To sum it up, the Cessna 310R offers an impressive blend of speed, range, and efficiency, making it a favorite among private pilots and aviation enthusiasts.